Subscribe to Smarttech, press the bell icon on to get the instant updates.
Good morning friends, in this video you will see how to add your other channel in your YouTube channel. So first go to Google Chrome, go to new tab, there type www.youtube.com. There after coming press these three dots here, go down and press desktop site. After pressing it, if you sign in, after signing in, go to your channel, press my channel. After pressing my channel, go to customize channel. After pressing that, down you will have add a section. Press that add a section. At the content, type, go to channels and type custom grouping.
And add
After pressing
channel,
custom
like
grouping, press
the
add
link
channel
adding,
and
paste it here
this
and press
section
add.
title, you can do anything like
You'll get
my
this channel
other
and press done.
channel
Then you could
like
reload
that,
and see
and
the
paste
channel here.
the channel's URL here and press add. I added to this channel because I don't have any other channel. After that, press done. After pressing done, you could see like this will come. If you don't want this, just press cancel. It will go. So this is how you make. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Meet on the next video. Bye.